whether you call them Reesees or Reese's. Today we're finding out how much peanut butter's in these pieces. Or pieces. We're doing research. So today we're going to take 5 different iterations of the Reese's candy, which if you agree with me, all Reese's candies are pretty much the same, it's just peanut butter and chocolate. The only difference is the ratio between the two. So today we're going to break down 5 different candies, put them into this handy dandy chart, figure out what the different ratios are and which candy is best. Let's get started. We're going to start with the standard peanut butter cup. I think this should be our control. This is what everyone can remember the ratio of, so this will be our standard for measuring all the others off of. Let's go ahead and get this measured and the rest and fill out this chart. Our tools are ready. Let's go ahead and commence the surgery. We'll be doing a topectomy. We are now shaving the peanut butter off of the chocolate as best we can. Peanut butter weight is approximately 9.15 grams. Okay, now let's move on to the Reese's peanut butter bar. This is basically Reese's Cup sold in bar form. I think that this one might be a different ratio because it's sold in chunks. I don't know, I just thought it might be a slightly different ratio than some of the other things. So next we're going to test this. I had to show you guys up close. It's literally just a thin skin of chocolate. There's no contest. I don't have to measure the rest. I'm going to, but there's no contest that the Reese's egg is going to be the winner of this game. Okay, here we have the chocolate, and as you can see, I'm being very generous with the chocolate and all of the peanut butter from the egg. So we'll do peanut butter first because it's a little bit more organized. And we've got about 19.5 peanut butter. And 12.7 of chocolate. So right now, I can tell right off the bat that this is the only one that has far more peanut butter than chocolate. Okay, so now we just have miniatures and the heart to go. Okay, heart standing weight is 10.6. And the mini is 8.9. All right, let's get to separating the peanut butter out. I'm glad I filmed that one up close. That was the only one that worked successfully. Okay, chocolate, 6 grams, and peanut butter, 2.8. Okay, we've got all of our numbers. Let's go ahead and crunch them. Oh, God. Okay, well there you have it. So that was a little bit surprising results, but now we have a nice results on this nice chart right here that you can read out and see that sure enough the novelty holiday large chunks of Reese's are actually the most quantity, and you can taste it when you eat them. There's so much peanut butter in those, it's a little overwhelming. And then you've got your regular standard cup and your mini cup, which are kind of in the middle, and that's kind of the stuff that we're more used to. So make sure to give this video a like if you watched it and want to see more. We'll test more things like the big cup and some of these other really cool Reese's products. We want to make sure to do that. So give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Check out some of my other cool videos in this playlist below. Let me know whether you pronounce it Reese's or Reese's in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time.